Okay, thank you so much. This is our first conversation. So, as you want to know from me, my introduction, okay? My name is
Yeah.
Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student as well as I'm doing a job. Yeah. And if I talk about my hobby is traveling. In my leisure time, I practice my speaking English when I get time. Yeah, that's all about me. So, what about you?
Yes. So now it's my part. My name is Rajpal. I'm from India, and my hobbies are reading books, diary writing, and practicing yoga. That's about me.
Okay, that's nice. Are you practicing?
Yes, yoga.
Okay, that's nice. So, which part of
Uh,
India do you live? Which part of India do you live?
so I reside in the northern part of India, which we call Uttar Pradesh. I live in Uttar Pradesh. My state name is Uttar Pradesh.
I understand. So, how long have you been using this platform for making video?
Okay, so it has been almost 6 months. I joined this app. I joined Skype on the New Year, but I joined these groups on the March month, after the Holi.
Okay, okay, understand.
And since then, I have been practicing.
Okay, so how long have you been practicing your speaking English?
So well, it has been 1 year. I complete the 1 year and
Okay,
looking forward to learn, to explore new things, to understand this language from different perspective.
okay,
That
understand.
is the
Okay, okay. How do you practice your English without making video?
No, because when I started my English journey, so following which I started my own YouTube channel. So now I upload, I have the sessions, I take the session, and after that I upload those sessions on my YouTube channel so that I can watch, rewatch my session and I can make the rectification improvement wherever I can. I do that. And I believe that that is the very good, good means to improve and to polish our communication skill, particularly the English language. Because when we do the conversation, so we don't know at that point of time that whether we are making the mistake or not. But when we are recording the session, we are rewatching, those sessions, we understand that really we are making the mistake, do really we make the mistake or not, so we can find out.
Okay, okay. And so as you said, when you started to learn English, that time you created your channel. So how many subscriber in your channel right now?
I have a 300. I'm very small YouTuber.
Okay, that means within 1 year you got 300 subscriber in your YouTube channel.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so how many video have you uploaded in your channel?
Basically, regardless of the English videos, I upload around 200s. Because before that, um, yes, what happened, like when I have the session, so sometime learners are not comfortable for having the recording the session, so I have to do the conversation on the video call without having the recording. So that is also reason.
Understand. So
Yes.
I wanna know one thing from you. How many countries people have you talked yet?
Basically, the people are from Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Nepal, Indonesia, and Kuwait, and yes, yes, these are the countries, and I don't, yes, and one country is like the Kuwait. Yes, I mentioned to you Kuwait. Even so many are, yes, they I have talked to these people from the video call, but audio call I have talked to other countries, like I had a conversation with even Afghanistan people, but audio call, not the video call. And Sri Lanka also. I had a conversation with the people from the Sri Lanka.
Understand. So whose people is good at English. What do you think about this country's people?
I think all are good. All are good. We cannot say that from this country. And India is the country. We are amazing people. Whenever whatever language, if we try to learn, we can learn easily. Look at our the, I mean, our the voice. Like the We have the youth in the Google, WhatsApp, everywhere because of our English skills. Because we very well know this language, and even not just this language, under we understand the importance of this language. Look at the most of the the I mean the companies we are there. So of course we are the Indians. We are at the top.
And I surprised about you countries people. In India, maximum people know three, four, five languages. I-
Exactly.
and
Yes.
I have some friend from India, and they are know about four languages, and maximum people know about five languages. It's really amazing. And
Yeah.
in my country, it's really hard to learn third language. And English is our second language, and it's really difficult to learn. And in India,
Yeah.
people know four, five languages. Oh my God.
Because reason is very simple. Because we have